Today's topic is B tree. Okay, what is meant by B tree? Okay, retrieving the data from the database by using B tree. Okay, retrieving the data from the database by using B tree. Okay, retrieving the data from the database by using B tree. Okay, B tree we are using two indexing. Okay, two indexing. First one is the single level indexing. Second one is the multi-level indexing. Single level indexing and multi-level indexing. These two are the two types of indexings. Two types of indexing. Okay. In single level indexing, we have three types. First one, primary. Second one, clusterature. Third one, secondary. We already discussed in previous class. In multi-level, we have two types of multi-level indexing are there. First one, B tree, and second one is the B plus trees. Okay, B tree and B plus trees. Okay, first we have to explain about first one. First one, single level indexing. Okay, we take some index file. This is index file. Okay, not only index file, index files. Okay, first part is the K and the second part is the BB. Okay, K means key and BP means block pointer. Okay, block pointer. Okay, we have keys K1, K2, K3, so on up to Kn. In block pointer also, block pointer 1, block pointer 2, block pointer 3, so on up to block pointer n. Okay, what is the use of block pointer? We have to get the data address will be there in block pointer. We have to get the data. Okay, we have to get the data and address. We have to get the data and also address will be there in block pointer. Block pointer is also called as a data pointer. Okay, we have to take block pointer. This is the block pointer or block file or data file, whatever it may be, it is a data file. Okay, this is the data. Okay, these first three are the block pointer 1. Again, next three are the block pointer 2. We divide the index into block pointer 1 and block pointer 2. Okay, what is meant by data file? This is a block pointer or a data file. What is meant by data file? Data file is present on the secondary file. This is the secondary file. Okay, data file is secondary file. This is secondary file. Secondary file means whatever it may be, not only a secondary file, whatever it may be. Okay, data file may be divided into, okay, data file may be divided into block pointers 1, block pointer 2, so on up to block pointer n. Okay. And the next point. Here, direct communication. Okay. We have a direct communication with index file and a data file. We get a direct communication with index file and a data file. Okay. Point radam. Direct communication between direct communication between index file and data file. Index file and data file. Okay. Next point. Data file is also called as a index file. Okay. Index file is also called as a index file. Data file is also called as a index file. Index file is also called as a data file. Okay. Here one more point. One communication line only. Okay. Not multi-level. We are discussing about a single level. It is only one communication line. One communication line and only one level and only one level. I continue in next video.